Are you tired of typing your login details every single time? Fix Firefox's password saving in under 3 minutes. We'll start by checking your Firefox settings, then troubleshoot common issues like disabled prompts or conflicting software. Start by opening the Firefox help article titled "Usernames and Passwords Are Not Saved." You'll see that Firefox has built-in password management to handle your login info, and this article explains why logins might not be saved. Now, click on the section about Firefox settings for logins and passwords. If autofill is disabled, Firefox won't fill in your login info, so let's change that. At the top right, click the menu button and select Passwords. The About/Logins page will open in a new tab. The About/Logins page will open in a new tab. Then, at the top right, click the Firefox Logins menu and choose Options. The Passwords and Autofill page will open to the Password section. Add a check mark next to Ask to Save Passwords to see a prompt. Also check Save and Autofill usernames and passwords so you don't have to type them each time. Now that you've configured Firefox to remember passwords, try logging into the site again. Next, consider if you have Password Manager software installed. Such software, often part of security suites, can prevent Firefox from storing passwords, so check its settings. If the Remember Password prompt isn't displayed, it could be a graphics driver issue. Some driver versions have problems displaying prompts, so follow the steps to troubleshoot extensions, themes, and hardware acceleration. Some websites prohibit password saving for security reasons. If you followed the steps but still aren't prompted to save a password on a certain site, that's likely why. You can also sign in with a one-time email code. Firefox's password management handles usernames and passwords, but this article explains why logins might not be saved. Use passwordless login when creating a new account for a supported service, or if your account lacks a password and isn't linked to Google or Apple. Note that passwordless login can't be used for Firefox Sync, as Sync requires a password for end-to-end encryption. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.